Watch what happens when we put aluminum and steel ridge caps to the test. We'll simulate high winds and debris using a leaf blower and materials like fake snow, leaves, and dust to see how each holds up. So first up is snow. We're using a fine powder to simulate light, wind-driven snow entering through the vented slots. Next, let's simulate how fall debris like leaves and dust interact with the caps. We'll finish with a moisture and ice test simulating freezing conditions that could cause leaks or blockage. So that was it on the testing. And as you can see, the aluminum ridge cap allowed debris and snow to pass through and could easily lead to leaks or damage inside your building. Steel, on the other hand, stayed strong, sealed, and stood up to everything we threw at it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more post-frame content. Have a question or a project in mind? Drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms and visit our website for more resources and inspiration. Until next time, build with confidence.